Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States will shortly deliver a message over the National Emergency Warning System. Thank you for being a part of the American dream. We have failed suddenly due to boyfriend and girlfriend from setting off a nuclear bomb. A cold one. It is recommended you go to the state of Maine right now. It will be the only state. Hawaii will also be another state, but it will surely be nuclear bombed. Alaska is another one, but surely will be nuclear bombed. However, a little small piece of Maine will now become a part of Canada. You must go there and start making nations over there. Thank you for being a part of the American dream. Don't forget to take supplies such as food and water. Once it is over, once you get all the supplies, once you run out of all your supplies, you must keep clothing with you. However, you have to find water and food yourself. Don't forget to take weapons for hunting. The phone will be blocked for at least 40 years. There is no way to survive this internal event, and there's no way to survive if you're in a different state. Tennessee and Alabama governments have fallen, and now the United States has now fallen. Boyfriend and girlfriend will be killed after this because they're sending off a water bomb, a cold one too. Thank you for being a part of the American dream. And now we will have our national anthem for the last time. God bless America, and God bless you, and God bless all of us.